Human activity is a major cause for the global warming and the climate change. When we release the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere because of the Earth rotations and because of the wind, so carbon dioxide ends up into the North and South Pole. And that's why we can see now sea ice keep melting. In Thailand, even though we do not have sea ice, but what happens is that we have coral reef, and coral reef can get the effects from the climate change. The climate change make the water temperatures hotter, and the coral, they are very sensitive animals. If the temperature rises just only 1 centigrade, it can make coral bleach. The coral reef provides a home for more than 90% of marine animals. Unfortunately, coral reef in Thailand and also around the world have been destroyed through the human activities like overfishing, oil pollutions. During the 2 years that we have the COVID, the nature some kind of come back. And the reason because there is no human activities that upset the nature. During the 2 years, it can give us a clue how we can tackle the climate change issues. If we would like to have the nature coming back, actually it would take more longer than 2 years. For this year incidents that we have oil spill, we can see some effects that occur. For example, the coral reef in Rayong, because of the oil spill, is interrupt the coral reproduction or coral spawning. What we found is that the oil spill affects the reproductions of the coral, so it makes the egg and sperm of coral abnormal. So our groups at Chulalongkorn University, what we try to do is try to restore coral in some area in Thailand back as it should be by using a new technique, what we call a sexual propagation techniques or IVF. We collect egg and sperm of the corals, and then we brought it to the hatchery and do artificial fertilizations. We not just only try to increase the coral populations, but we have to make sure that our baby coral that we produce can be able to withstand climate change. And we hope that these techniques that we try to do could help the coral reef in some area in Thailand be able to recover faster than normal. To conserve the environment, we need to act right now because we have been destroying them for so long. To conserve it, actually, we can start from ourselves first. For example, if we know that using the single-use plastic can kill more than 1 million of marine animals per year, why don't we just, stop using single-use plastic, no plastic cup, and use your own cup instead, no plastic bag, but use the cloth bag instead. Remember that the futures of the environment is in your hand. So it's time for us to act now to make sure that we will leave a better planet for our future generations.